Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your voicemail haptics on the iPhone. So, haptics are vibrations that comes with the notification. So, if you want to change them for the voicemail, you want to go to the settings, then go to the sounds and haptics. Once you are here, just click on the new voicemail, and then on the top of the screen you are going to find haptics. So you can click to have no haptics at all, and also you can choose from different patterns, as you can see, and also you can choose from the custom that you have made. Once you click on the specific pattern, this is going to be played. So now the phones vibrates, and if you have the tick next to specific pattern, from this time this is going to be saved, and this pattern is going to be played when you are going to get a new voicemail message with the notification. And also we have another video on our channel how to create a new vibration, your pattern by yourself, and how you can save it also. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.